This is an old rivet header of mine that I frequently use. It's got holes for 8 and 7mm rod. This one is 28mm square, but I need one that's 25mm. That is, I want the shanks of the rivets to be 25mm long. I know I've done this sort of tool maybe 3 or 4 times in videos, but I just can't find those rivet headers. I don't know where I put them, so I've got to make this new one. By the way, this piece is 1050 medium carbon steel. This final hole size that I'm drilling is just a tad over 7mm. You can see it's a 9/32 drill bit. That's 7.14mm, and so when my rivet stock heats up, it'll expand a little bit, but it'll still fit within the hole. So I've drilled this in 2 directions on either side, and one is for actually making the heads of the rivets, and the other is for a handle. I need to take a second to give a big shout out to 2 guys for their recent, very generous donations to the channel. They are Ken Brundage and Phil Parton. Thanks so much, fellas. I really appreciate it. So my rivet stock here is 7mm, and the general rule is to have the piece protrude about 1.5 times that diameter. So it's a little bit more than 10mm, so that should be spot on. So you want to expand the hole on the top side just a little bit, and that'll make expelling the rivets that much more easy. Then of course you want to mark the top side so you remember which side is up. that hole will allow me to hang this tool on a nail. I'm in the habit of cooling the bottom end of the rivet stock. For my tongs, I normally make flathead rivets, just easier and my preference. So this is a very easy tool for anyone to make in an hour or so. A good sign that your rivet header is working well is you could put the cold rivet back in the hole and pull it out relatively easily. As you know, got a lot more fooling around to do.